Greetings. Welcome to another reasoning session. Jus Seh It 101. Yeah man, the lioness, Najee, keeping it real, keeping it simple, keeping it truthful. Reasoning with myself. Something I do on a regular, you know. Since we come up on this heightened awareness, if I can call it that. Yeah. Heightened awareness. I think I like that. Feel me a feeling I dark, you know. Yeah man, I feel me a feeling I dark, man. Not trust them books. Not trust them books at all. Me not trust nobody will tell me nothing. I try to convince my mind to believe a particular thing. So past them stage there, you know, and walk out of the classroom. Remember one day somebody asked me, say, "You're not tired to go to school." If you're not tired to go to school, I may find it funny then, but in a different kind of way. Because I did find it funny if you say, why? Oh, somebody if you're tired to go to school. Or somebody if you're tired for one learn. That was why I made it find it funny, and the sister still, you know, I'm good with sisters, so we kind of joke it off and thing. But it's like, she has said to me, say, boy, every time she, because I was, you know, you have them sisters in the way, every now and again, you go check for each other, so you don't really see each other every time. Years ago, you know, in time, I probably early 20s, so maybe late 20s, no early 20s, late 20s, yeah, late 20s. But when she said, so I said then, you're not supposed to want to learn something new every day. But then she said, but then there comes a time when you need to tap, man. And we reflect on that, because there comes a time when I needed to stop, because the books never did answer the question myself, because we couldn't ask nobody them, you know. Certain questions you can't ask nobody them, because they're going to look for you like, why you ask that? And you're not supposed to ask that, and you're weird if you ask that kind of question. You know? So you tend to ask yourself the question and quietly do your own research. You know, you look only reading and then look at things. So feed yourself, so to speak. I like to feed myself, I like to teach myself. So I find it funny now in a different kind of way. Because there really did come a time when me did have a blood clot stop. Or it's either me stop because me couldn't be with them want me to be. Me couldn't be an absolute nigga. Or me couldn't be an absolute boo. You just would have to be a woman, led by instinct. And so, my friend did right, my sister did right. There come a time when you have to stop and to just start observe. Just get quiet. And start observe. tell you say, you learn more, faster than the time you take to do the bachelor's and the amount of money it costs you. Yeah, because me run the road too. Me run the road there. And I see the challenges that women face day in, day out. From all different blood clot, angle, fears, or platform levels, anything you want to call it. Man face a lot. Oh, by the way, before me even go down the road, we don't have no picnic, and if we don't, we are putting on the children. This is not for children, this is for adults. Yes. Because I am a Jamaican woman, embracing Africanness. And I don't know much about my Africanness, but I say I feel in my dark. And so far it not feel me. But I know the whole of my Jamaicanness because of this I did born, brewed, bottled English and so I can't do that because I have to go round up my mouth too much and I run up. I don't know so I did born and grow, bottled up, brewed to perfection, product of Jamaica. Say, all of my Jamaicanness will come out at some point. Eventually. It might not come out one time, but it will come out periodically different aspect. And like I say, I mean, no word is bad. It is self-expression. I'm expressing myself. And I love to express myself to myself. You understand? And more time I talk hard to myself. And more time I talk soft to myself. And oftentimes myself respond to. Oftentimes myself respond. Yeah, I soon go down in my rant, man. I soon go down in my rant. Oftentimes myself respond. The other day my son went to me and said, Mums, there's a very thin line, you know. There's a very thin line. So I say, you know what I say, say for madness, you know what I say, because I guess you know what. You know what, make it seems like him a overstep, you know. So if say it's a very thin line, so I say thin line between what? You say, talking to yourself is one thing, you know, moves. And stop. So I say, no stop, we can't finish it too, you know. But answering yourself is another thing. You know, yeah. I say, I love answer myself. And that's why I love 101 too. Just say it 101. Because it gives me a chance to talk to myself. Sometimes I never interrupt myself with myself at that. And sometimes I interrupt it when it touch at fuckery. What you mean? And then who tell me when I go on with fuckery? Who know me like me? Ask that. As fuckery come up out of me, so I see it. And it really come up out of me. You see me, fuckery come up out of me with me, most time I with my compromise. But anyway, that's a story for another. But anyway, back to the meat of the matter. AJ, big up yourself wherever you are. Back to the meat of the matter. The video I never said the other day. You know we should part in a world that take place because I don't think we recognize the language. But a black people with my skin. And it was a river, then there was a river, the video like then there was a river. and it's like some man in a some gown sitting in a river, different spots. You know? Can't remember like 1, 2, 3 or so spots. With female. Male with female. I force them underwater. Because the way how the male them operate, it's like they are aggressively pushing the woman them under the water. I try to push them down because you can't tell me say the woman them willingly go there so baptize and you have to exert so much energy for push them down there. Because if them go there so willingly baptize, them are just go down with you. You and them and just go down. But you are forced them. But that's not even the point. Not even the point. That's even the point that I come up. You understand? Because we don't reach a point yet. You know one who say me did this because me I watch a video now, me tell you say me I say I know say I can't do it. I don't know this. I can't know. I can't 2019 video this. Me I go show it, me I go show it, me I go show it. And somebody tell me if it's a 2019 video. Whether not even 20 nothing. That's glad. When you see it, when you see it, you make your assumption. Then you know one who say you know one who say one little elderly man right here so on the other side so the little young lady, that's a little cause it, I don't know, we can't tell the age difference because they kind of zoom out. So, but the man of the woman, a fighter, I don't know where I do because I don't say half of your body, I don't say the lower half of your body. But it's like, because an arrow point there too, you know, an arrow point there. And all of a sudden, because little activity start going up at top this up. So your eye move from the arrow. So I guess that's why they put the arrow, because if you're not careful, that the other little penny section up at top there, so when you grab your attention, I'm gonna make you miss where you go on there. So say the woman just get up, reel up out of the water. I don't know what the fuck the man do to her. But she just reel up and she start fighting and start pushing back down in the blood clot water. I don't know, say a cheer go up from around the thing. Cheering. When I say cheering, people's not cheer, and it's like people are, it's like it become a spectator thing wearing that. Nobody, even though the video cut short, so I don't know what happened further down, if whatever. But the first reaction was never anybody jumping in to actually see what was happening. Nobody. And as far as me concerned, it don't look like the woman that did willingly in this of here. If you go down and hit at them. It don't look like them the woman that did willingly. Me go pause a bit. And only watch the video and then me come back and finish this reasoning with myself. Because only night. Yeah man, welcome back. Welcome back. So you will see when me see. I don't know if you see when me see. But me want to me see some man with some power I do something to some woman. How is it that so much people stand up, being spectators, to something like that in a time like this? 2019. She should have joined. She should have joined. No, this is what nobody wants to say, you know. No, this is what nobody wants to say. Because even if a baptism are going, I know so if it happen. I saw it happen. So why not? I don't know if nobody observe. I don't know if, let me say, maybe I didn't tradition. I never see no man, I'm no woman fight no man for good on the water. I mean, see no man fight no other young man for good on the water. I just be a young woman, listen to them, I fight for deep and I try Joan. Joan is sister in them to blood clot. You say, it's disturbing. The blood clot video disturbing in a them time, yeah. It is disturbing. Cause them say a modern time. Them say a modern times, you know. Naje, them say it's modern times. Then they no civilization, no. No them thing a civilization, bro. I wonder what the video did read. I wonder where really what that did really to come with, you know. Because they don't really do not look at a young girl anymore, you know. Really don't look at that way, you know. And they really investigate and find really trigger that in that reaction, because that young lady did not act. That young lady never act. She react. What made her react? What caused her to react the way she reacted? The man and daughter try to feel her up under it. Because in a long time, him they push to the right. I don't make no speculation. But you see a video and you see oh the anger and the rage when she reel up out of the water with. So is there them that try to kill her or drown her under the or try to touch her inappropriately under quiet under water? Anything possible? And at them time and age, I'm at the funny side of the blood clot. I don't know business with nobody want to say. It's a just saying, I say it exactly the way it is. So that for someone I get abused, a time for the respect that the woman deserve in the highest blood clot order. And the man them for stop taking blood clot and them for publish. For please who? I will not try please who more than that. But you love in that blood clot. Eh? Where is the love? Think about it. Like we say, Jus Seh It for you think about it. So you know, one on one. Me and my blood clot self. And me share it with you. Where is the love and the affection in our blood clot elderly man of a young woman a beat her, a force her head down and a blood clot seawater bottle? Same hour. A baptize? I saw somebody baptize? Me used to see the, me used to see like all them and like them dip them so and then come up so. What's up? Them dip them so and then come up so. So it hey. Hey. Mama. Mama, that when you did a miracle. Mama, your daughter them down here feel it. The queens them, I feel it, mama. Mama, your daughter them, I feel it, mama. All sort of blood clot, liberty. All sort of fuckery in the name of some other fuckery. I reach. Woman, bumper clot. Woman. We don't ask nobody if he's sorry for me, you know. We just want to go blood clot come off and we know and love you. You understand? Now we understand the warriors and the mission of scars. And we don't look back. Mama them no look back. Mamas no look back, you know. Mamas look forward. Yeah? Woman look forward all the while, you know. A distraction will woman back in the more time. Warrior and the mission of ancient nobility. Amongst the women, warriors and the mission are eternal nobility. And that's my headspace there. Where is the honor in this man trying to carry out? Maybe it's some sort of ritual or whatever them call it, according to them think, their religion. Where is the honor in how it turn out? Because if it is an honorable deed, then all the spin-offs from it should be honorable. If it is an honorable act that is being committed on this woman, I believe her action, her reaction is honorable. Look out him blood clot. You see, all this. Some ladies might not approve or agree with me, you know. And that's fine. Because I am not a fucking lady. Rest of society, I don't know the English word, I don't know the English, I don't know the English thing, I don't know that, I don't know lady a blood clot, a woman. And I think that young lady that is a blood clot. A young woman there, yeah, she's a warrior. But we indoctrinated no folk, you know. And she, there's some words, like I can't get rid of some words after you talk, but oh, I mean, say, man, little by little, man, I get rid of that blood clot. I say, I feel like that, you know, because I want to tell you, say, maybe if I say probably a couple of years ago, I said that the video, they probably wouldn't have find it funny and I laugh. Serious. Because some things where, when you fall like a crowd, you know, some things where you laugh with, you know, man, and laugh. You follow people and laugh, and then you realize, say, I crowd, you fall at a rascal. And maybe I thought everybody just see that as funny. And when I watch the video, they didn't find it funny, you know, I couldn't laugh. I laugh, no, I couldn't laugh. It's like, I was like, what the? Where did, I was like, oh, hey, I saw me, I watch a video and I say, you know. And yes, one time I say, you see, when me see the young woman start to fight back, me say me not lie. Me say yes. Me say yes. Yeah man, look in the And when you really take a stock, you know, and you really, if you really check the video, you can see say really and truly taking the video like all the other one up on the other side. They never look like them one. That you know not to go through the glad in this society. Glad me never have to go through that, but it's like even though you not go through it, but seeing it is like you go through it. When you make that sense to it. Certain clad. Not them time. I think me couldn't this a me, I know. Couldn't be in a certain. Think about it, you know. Autism is also different. Yeah, really and true. You never feel so. You never feel like nobody that forced me. I think me just did one. Me did a search and me did an experiment, and I just always wanted to be a good person. I just wanted to do that we lean to the good side, and so therefore that as a symbological representation of me wanting to do good, and is my statement to myself that this is based on what, you know, because most of she took, you know, basically called it that about she, because I was like, but you can a law-abiding citizen, good person, good woman, that sort of thing. You look towards it. You know them type of mentality that you want to have, you want to. So why would we subject ourselves to make man think they could just no yeah man, Roger. Because some people may say me have to just talk myself. But it's still kind of feel fuck up. You see, for me don't know about nobody else. I talk about for myself. And I understand myself. I talk about that. I understand that. I talk for myself. But feel fuck up. Me can't turn up and see one woman and get abused and just turn up. So I can't do it. That's not my instinct. My instinct. Me no feel. Me no know. Until my mother listen. Yeah, the friend up there. Treat the woman them right here, man. Treat the woman them nice, no. Don't make the thing static. We know say we sister is a male dominated world. We see it. And then everybody there comes a time when change of your meaning. Because man say long and short. I don't know what the video really end, what was the consequence or whatever, or whatever, I don't know, because I'm just talking from the narrow perspective of the little piece that I'm given. But enough for me enough of it to generate something within that forces whatever inside of me to acknowledge instead of going along with me. Planned idea. Strike a card because you don't feel good for see my sister then. You want the world again. I got you a night. I was out of the club, fuck, and rage. Stop. Like mama I have to stop some point, mama. I said it have to flip somewhere or the other. Somewhere or the other it have to flip because I don't see no love in them action the way they go along in that water. I don't see no love in that. I don't see no love in it. If you don't see love in it, you can't share that. I can't see it. Even from the Polish part, I'm looking obvious. And the affection, I don't know if the affection if they try gear, I should tell you that I want to fuck him up. Oi! And I guess then what kind of affection is that? Negative affection? Is there something called negative affection? I guess then that would have been a positive reaction to that negative affection. Well, what do you think? What do you think about that video? Man, what do you think? And I think when I time my word now, I time my age, whatever I don't want to call it, because you know English and English. So you know, what you thinking of them time and age, where I don't know how old that video is. I don't know which part of the world it was. Whatever it was happening, but what do you think it happened in this time and age? Judge into that bit and what was happening in that video. We women are still being subjected to forcefully do and carry out them sort of shit. I was saying I call them sitting on junior controller, I call them sitting. Should be a fuckery. A blood clot fucker because I don't know some public one box piece of a clot to me. But anyway, what do you think? Leave a comment, start the conversation. Yeah man. Me, I and I reasoning with I and you getting a bird's eye view. But you still, what do you think? And I'm not bother with the fuckery. Because I don't get energy to fuckery. Zero energy for get. You understand? But we just highlight women's issues and some of the fucking fuckery that we have been subjected to over the years up until this time. Both verbally and physically, psychologically, psychologically, we have been subjected to all sorts of internet blood clots. If it's not, woman want peace of mind, and peace of heart, and peace of body, so that they can feel whole. And we're tired for the man, blood flow heart. Come on, man. Show we real love, man. Show we true love, man. And the man them when know truth. The man them when know real truth. Where you know outcome as a man where we live in, I know, so we not privy to certain things where some of the women them not understand themselves yet and hearing. And when you know that I don't understand, we whisper it on the girlfriend ears now, man. We whisper it on the keep woman ears. We whisper it on the side chick ears because we don't know the truth. Start, even if them a laugh or them push it off, keep saying it because guess what, the first time it surprised them, the second time it will not. So you keep saying it. You're talking, and young ladies don't listen to the man when they talk when they know certain things because the man, because me I hear some of the young artists, I sing some tune. I sing. I see all my son walking and I say, wait, mommy, and them, yeah, listen, yeah, cause them a sing. I don't know if somebody are right if they might, but whether or not, they must sing it and it a vibrate. And the woman, them young ladies, and trust me, you have some young ladies, me hear some, I don't want to call about the name, because I hear the young, I say young, some young people, some young reggae artists. Keep up the good work. Some young reggae artists. Keep up the good work. Yeah, man. Vibration strong. Don't forget the woman a chance. No, here. Don't make it easy. Don't go easy upon the woman them, you know. No, ease up your pressure upon the woman them. Who is up your pressure? Black woman, what? Enough black woman absorb, you know. Black woman absorb a lot. Melanated woman. Absorb a lot in silence. A lot in silence. Because some of us who try to speak out, we were told that we were aggressive and loud. And so we were subdued, you know, because they wanted us to be submissive. And those of us who refuse to be submissive and push to one side or categorize we as this or categorize we as that. You understand? I do hope that lady, that young, you say how indoctrinated we are. That young woman, forgive yourself and move on. You're feeling the cup little by little, we're feeling in the dark, right? Yeah, man, we're learning as we go. That young woman, I hope, I wish her all the best. All three of them, all that's because of those three of them. Because they were struggling, you can see the other one out there, yeah, man, they were retaliating, and I don't know what happened to the other one because she just went down into the water. Mama love, reach out to the daughters and the sisters out there. Yeah, man, don't forget. Leave a comment and let us know. Yeah. Like, share and subscribe. Say, you know, and just say always one love, peace and love. I mean, that's before me go, it's not like say we are charging me for the money because man, we are time we ask the lion them and the lion them and the lionesses. We just listen to each other and stop. They call it static. Yeah, be more magnetic with love and be more magnetic with love. You like that? Yeah, be more be more magnetic with love. Yeah, man. Because if you love, you know, if I love, I do it, you know. A male now go and try force a female, you know, don't it? A male love a female, right? You really love a female. Think about it. The action that you're doing to a female right now, would you do it to your mother? The action or the words that you are uttering out of your mouth now to a female, would you do it to your sister, or your niece, or your little female cousin? Think on these things. The actions that you are doing against women, that you may think it is justified at the moment that you are doing it. Think about it. If you had seen somebody doing that to a female relative of yours, how would you feel? And then you judge your action from that. And likewise, women, you know, the action you are doing right now, or whatever time you're doing it, for whatever the reason, is it justified enough that is it something that you would do to your father or so your son or a male relative? No, think on these things. If we do unto others, really, as we like it be done unto us, I think this world really deep from inside, you know, be a better place. But this is just me, now me a reason with myself. This is just me a reason with myself, you know, so yeah. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and check out my website. Yeah, don't forget to check out my website, FAIM.com. Peace and love, you know. Peace and love. Love can do it, man. Love can do it. Love can do it. Can you imagine how beautiful, and there is no friction between the man and the woman. No friction whatsoever. You don't know me imagine that. Imagine that no time. No friction between the man and the woman. Just love and unity. The joy. The joy that we just unite and treat each other as we want to be treated. With love and respect and truth. Yeah man, honesty and integrity plays a very, very important role. Next time, let us work on next time. Peace out, walk good. Thanks for stopping by.
Jésus! Au nom de Jésus, vous faites du bataille la Satan. Vous faites du bataille.